Have you ever felt like life is full of surprising, sometimes puzzling stories? Well, the Bible's book of Hosea has one that might just get you thinking. Today, we're diving into Hosea chapters 1 to 3, where an unusual story unfolds, rich with meaning and timeless lessons. Hosea, a prophet of God, is commanded to marry Gomer, a woman described as promiscuous. This shocking command sets the stage for a story about love, betrayal, and redemption. In their messy relationship, God paints a vivid picture of his relationship with the nation of Israel. They marry and have 3 children. But here's where it gets interesting. Their names, Jezreel, Lo-Ruhamah, and Lo-Ammi, each carry a message.
Jezreel signifies a coming judgment. Lo-Ruhamah means not loved, and Lo-Ammi means not my people. These names reveal God's frustration with Israel's unfaithfulness, yet they hint at future hope. Chapter 2 presents a metaphorical courtroom drama.
God, the aggrieved spouse, outlines Israel's infidelities represented by Gomer's actions. Chapter 2 verses 6 to 7 read, "Therefore, I will block her path with thorn bushes. I will wall her in so that she cannot find her way. She will chase after her lovers, but not catch them." Despite this warranted anger, God also promises restoration and depicts a hopeful future where he will betroth you to me forever. Chapter 3 brings a surprising twist. God instructs Hosea to go buy back Gomer despite her failings.
This act symbolizes God's unwavering commitment to Israel. With love and patience, Hosea's actions embody God's heart, always ready to forgive, redeem, and restore. So why does this matter? Hosea's tale isn't just about ancient Israel. It's a timeless reminder of a divine love that pursues us, even when we stray. It's about hope, forgiveness, and a promise that still stands today. As you ponder this profound story, consider what it might say to you in your life's journey.